Hello, this is the Lesson 5 video. Lesson 5 introduces Chapter 4, titled Illness and Death in Less Developed Nations, and basically provides a nice review of health status in developing nations, non-industrial nations. Topics such as nutrition, AIDS, HIV/AIDS, malaria, childhood mortality, and other related topics were discussed. If you think of the recent Ebola crisis in Africa, that would certainly fit into the material covered in this chapter, number 4. Chapter number 4 is designed as the other lessons have been designed. We have text readings. We have several nice links of additional material, such as the fact that your life expectancy in the United States is actually lower than most industrialized countries. We have already talked about that from the Friedman reading in the very beginning of the semester. A few items on the Ebola crisis, and a really nice article about health needs in the Southwest Virginia and health needs related to poverty, and the fact that individuals tend to be saying, we need help, we need health care, we need assistance with health care, yet the same individuals tend to be opposed to the Affordable Care Act and universal health care. And if you look at the data and the survey results, there are two contradictory processes and statements happening, and this is what this article talks about. It's really interesting, and it's a good example of the debate that's happening nationally as we move forward. We the reading about Southwest Virginia and colliding with the ideas of the ACA is part of your Lesson 5 discussion board, and it's called Nation Building. And I'm asking the class to discuss, do we have a responsibility to encourage and provide and develop healthcare systems not only inside the United States, but also outside the United States? And what's the differences, and if there is a difference, in developing those systems outside the borders of the United States and within, for example, Appalachia? Are these issues mutually exclusive, or do we have a shared interest? We also have a Lesson 5, Chapter 4 multiple choice quiz as normal. Thank you, and take care.